Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Bumps. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about char cloth. This is a pretty easy project and it's essential to anyone who wants to use flint and steel as a fire starting method. Okay, so what you'll need, which should be part of anybody's flint and steel kit, is a little tin. This I think was a pellet tin that held pellets for a pellet gun. Just poked a little hole in the top with a nail. I've used Altoid tins, any type of tin you can get at a craft store or anywhere like that. Just a basic sealing tin and poke a small hole in the top. And the idea is, what you want to do is you're going to put material that you want to char inside, push it down tight and put it in the fire. So it will get hot enough to burn, but the fire won't be allowed to touch the stuff that's burning inside. Any organic material will work for this, and it basically turns the material into highly combustible charcoal and makes it able to catch a spark very, very easily. So we're going to make some char cloth right now out of denim because it's a natural cotton fiber. And then we're going to do another video where we're going to char some natural material to show you how you can do it in the field if you don't happen to have a bunch of denim or cotton fabric lying around. Alright, so what we're going to do, I've already cut this up into little squares. I like big pieces of char cloth because they burn a little longer and gives more time for the tinder bundle to combust. Alright, so I'm just going to lay these in here loosely. You don't want to stack them too tight because it's going to choke out the heat and they're not going to burn right. So you just kind of loosely lay these on top of each other. Alright, you don't got to make a ton of it. Just a dab will do you. And lay these down. I find when I get greedy and try to stuff too much of this in here, it doesn't work as well. Alright, so maybe just one more piece in there. Alright, and I'm going to screw this on top. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is just throw this right on the coals of the fire and let it burn. Alright, so we'll tune you back in a second. Alright, so we have our tin with our little pieces of denim in here, and we're going to turn it into char cloth. It's a pretty easy procedure. We're just going to take it, we're going to drop it right down in the coals here, find a little spot where it'll get a lot of heat. Just going to put it right down on the fire there. Alright. In a little while, that's going to start smoking right at the top. Alright, so we're going to tune you back in once that happens. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, we got some smoke coming out of the hole here. Alright, so we just want to basically wait till that stops smoking. Alright, and that's going to be a sign that our char cloth is pretty much ready. Alright, so we'll tune you back in a couple of minutes. Once that's all done, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so we took our tin off the fire, okay? It's cool to touch, let it cool down a little bit. I'm trying to get our char cloth out now. We got a little char cloth here. Now we're going to put it to the test and see if it works. Alright. Gotta try and get a nice spark. Oh, there's an ember already. There's a nice little ember, orange ember in there. I don't know if you can see it. So we're going to put that in here. Alright, and there we go. Alright, so that's our char cloth, an easy way to catch a fire from traditional flint and steel. Alright, so now we're going to do another video in the near future showing how to char natural material when you're out in the field. Alright, this is Bushcraft Bumps. Thanks for watching.